My dear people of God, I want to introduce to you my Vicar General, who is here with me. Mwata, you know him. And Father Masese is also Monsignor because he has been in this field in the past. They helped me to govern the diocese, about six appointees. So these are the two who could be with me today. And igoturiga keiga egekwera baminto korwa Getembe TV batotarire nendo ndogukira igo goikato tebe ng'anende bakwira se TV ng'ane imono mono asenga kiga igerengete se ochorwa kwa Papa Witumia omuya. The whole world was expecting this new pope. The whole world, not only Kisii. And we prayed that it happens, and it happened. You'll forgive me to speak this in English because it is clearer. It is clearer that the whole world was waiting, which means we have one faith in the world, one faith in Jesus Christ. And we were all waiting, whether it is Muslims, whether it is SDS, whether it is... we were all waiting. This man is not a man of one religion. He's a man of all people, of all faiths. And he comes to unite us, to bring peace to all of us. And that's what we want. Iyo onekera paporia kwete na watu yeto ichanete. Lakini nena watu mupango ya mwaroche seti unu chiete. Cardinals munabachete kuru ensengima. Aja bagasikirwa mpaka basoka isiko bachigosaria mungabo n'abantu bandi babwate chisiasa chabo chinyingi. So they entered the conclave pure in mind. Conclave means conclave bagasikirwa nekibungu bakabera abo ndetari gosoka ondetari gukwana nonde siminchiyo bakaurwa egere banyari konyora umuntu yomo ubwata abantu abange bekerengererie kemo abantu abange bekerengererie kemo mbuya kubwa abantu babiri. And that's what happened. I want to say something to my people. Don't forget, they were not in the conclave to choose somebody exactly like Francis. They were choosing his successor. His successor is not Francis. His successor now is Leo the 14th. It's Leo the 14th. You have made a mistake. Oliga buate njera ya okole bintu byaye. Na ndika sabite ngoyo kumubuate atasali bintu byaye byonsi aire binde agaendereri. Oyo bono to amanyole no muntu mwa opi ko buoria. Pope Leo the 14th is a well-known person in the world. He's very well learned. He belongs to the universal circle because he once became the superior of the Augustinians. Saba sacerdote mbali beke ombe ke Augustinians ndobwatange bane kuruka itasis olio Edwin Nyauma bano ange bane bata narali mwabo romba bwate nyumba ya borom omoga ko ne roli ngomane nwali kurale se nyumba inaralete tamanye tuze nache ko bagenteke naende kerale ga bwese nyumba ga kusiomeli kuchia mate orra mwa papa bono osena ende ga ko sabanga totale ko nyora na into muntu ku Augustinians, and they have gotten him. I will say something small about him. Don't be afraid. Mobasa ko bano huoba oyo na bago tura uya ngorengere ligara tura ya buna John Paul atora hete ko era umuntu no mungai abwate chiti kristano nemo igono mungai naende muigwete keraso gete kurwalia Italian ya gukwana nkwale komanya taringa tali mu Italian. He spoke pure Italian because he has been living in Rome. He was the superior general of the Augustinians for 8 years in Rome. He knew Italian perfectly. Naende nabali gotarira chinse as Augustinians bali. So he's well versed about the whole world than even Francis. He came to Nairobi in December. Umanito. na chete Nairobi December kuigore nyumba yaba murabaiga. And I saw his picture and I said, muntu utali uri na roche Nairobi nere. So the summary of his life is he was ordained to priesthood on 19th June 1982. 1982. He was ordained to episcopate 12th December 2014. He was elevated to the cardinalate on 30th September 2023. Leroya. Akabe cardinal ntaraba kenda. Na nje ngamwakera chinkobe. Because umuntu kobe ukolina bwango iga igabantu mbaruti ng'angakiale. 1917 nali akolete a bachelor's degree in mathematics from Villanova University. Ono ntobwate papa umanyete mathematics mono utobwa. 90 he got his master's in divinity from Catholic Theological Union in Chicago. 1984 he got a licentiate in canon law. Canon law is amachiko ecclesia from the Pontifical University of St. Thomas Aquinas Angelicum in Rome. So no muntu somete. Lakini gento gekongokia igabwate amaisa korra ensengima eko rutari chinyumba chiabo chionse ensengima. Paka Nairobi ga chete muisonde kumetinga muntu no alenga muisonde onye manya na aliko enda mukwani motenga ukonyore kero ikyo onyinyole ondengereri. Assignments. The Holy Father from 1985 to 1986 he was doing missionary work in Peru. Peru is a remote area. That is where he was a missionary for many years. In his simplicity, he accepted the Peruvians. 1988 to 1998, he took various roles in Trujillo, Peru, including community prayer, formation director, and a professor. 1999, 2001, he was the provincial of the Augustinians province of Chicago, the whole of Chicago. Then he was the prior general of the Order of St. Augustine, 2 terms. This order is a universal order. He was twice the leader. Then, 2014 to 2015, he was the apostolic administrator of the Diocese of Chiclayo, Peru. And 2015 to 23, he was the bishop of the same area, Chiclayo, Peru. All this exposed him to becoming something bigger. And 2 or 3 years ago, this Holy Father died, chose him to be a cardinal. He chose him to be a cardinal. Akamachora kabe cardinal, tamanye te usengo cha kwali pope, era kabwate keroki akiwa cardinal, akaramenya Rome, bakakore gasina papa, iko bakamanyana. Ono ochor kwae, kali papa ori kuwete omochorete. Ona bantu bakamanya na senjeraki. Senjera eke missionary. So, ono no ene era garari gari tamanye te usengo cha kwali. Ya tabobokere teiga. Ekero moko chorwa igo mosi ekerwa lakini erumu endene roro ase a chapel system chapel ekero wa chorwa pop kwa we chinsa useno se amorengeruya otara kwani gento ogo si ekerwa se chapel iyo ekero no kebekire etauro no ere nebesani amariga ichoro konya gotinya mariga orere aendo maire nkorera bari kero muntu kuchikora kalinga niki umonene kwesingima ibiri spi you cry. He cried. Kirakora gacha nanjire. Zikano zikaka chinko bya bande bagasoka. Because bakole gachi yabo. Ali alete tugoje ziko. Abante kero muruchi nsingi mense gatengecha. Nini nchenkoro yani kanyegeli unga ento tukanyete tuwanyolere bono. Oyo nabago chikoba ukubwatia mangana Francis yasingencho yomulembe nebintu binde nere nabwati bintu byaye bigo sanganana we are enriched by this man. So he spoke Italian very perfectly. No ni chekabugo oyobo no mu America bo no moto keri. He's an Italian in a way because he stayed in Italy for a long time. The Pope has 2 citizenships. He is a Peruvian. He's a Peruvian and he's an American. So amenyete Chicago mono akabe provincial no entra mbunabamo manyete gono mu America. Lakini tara mangana Peru. So that is, he will help many people who have doubts and straighten their ways as far as Christ wants us to follow him. And I'm very happy. The people of Kisii, especially the Catholics, were very happy. Agusiba ito moruchu na mua gogete kero papa chole tue. Na kero tu achete kwa mimi seli mosocho yo wa kero Papa Francis kwa heri mua ruete birengere libino nga oyacho rubango na vera bebia. Nyasaye na igwete amasabaino to amanyori. Ono lende wote no gochenga guoka. Munyamugwata kamboni na makonde taranda gere na nchega. Mbia mono tikanya zava sisini. Muna toko chikokora. Oikatwa kire papa ngambe ya mono erueta sobo mabuaye kobo muntu murungi. Onya atabo muntu murungi tare gocha gwika. Lakini asengenjo alengo murunga okole bintu buya nonde tayo ole kupinga ibintu ale ko gupanga esengenjo bipangire buya. We congratulate you, Holy Father, so that God may give you strength to rule us, to direct us. So congratulations also to the cardinals who participated in the conclave. Congratulations to all Christians of the world who remained in prayer until we got this Pope. Remain united. Mobegenteke mobotambe. Nainde abapapa bababe wabagusingiranga ki unaturaba Kristo elieta digo tobwata nindi Kristo. Kristo. Tiamangana ya muko nyaguita naganga abana baiziri abana. No. Intuna abana banyasaye Kristo nero murayito. Onye elieta eli Kristo lite sirito lite sabandi goita. Igo negenteke motori. Tobegenteke. No more mbobo asitolini singima.